In this video, we're going to cover how to work with our filters and our colors. But this time, instead of using a video like I've done in the past, I'm going to show you how to do this with a picture. So we'll grab a picture and we'll drop it in. And everything that I'm doing here with the picture would be the exact same with a video. So I'll move this over to the middle where you can see it, and you're first going to click on it so that Clipchamp knows what you're working with. And I'm going to go to adjust colors first, and the first one I'm going to choose is this exposure. Now I first want you to look at the picture and you'll see what it looks like. Now I'm going to go and take the exposure and I'm going to raise it. And I'm going to go about halfway toward the end. And you can see where it brightened up the picture. Now I'm going to go in and reset that, and I'm going to try the temperature of it. And this is where it looks more like a sunset. And I will try the contrast now. And this one here where it looks like more of a cloudy day. And let me bring that one back too. So the next one I want to show you is also in here, and it's called filters. So we're leaving the adjusted colors and going to filters. In filters, you can choose pre-selected views of your image. So they'll give you what it looks like with no filter, which is the unfiltered, and then they'll show you what the filtered appearances look like. And you can do all sorts of different things with your filter. And these are just some of the ones that you can use. And that is how you would use filters and adjusting colors for your exercise video.